Hello everyone and welcome to my new video. Today I'm taking you to a truly special place in El Campello, la Illeta dels Banyets, also known as Baños de la Reina. This incredible archaeological site, connected to the mainland by a tiny isthmus, is a treasure trove of history and natural beauty. What makes the Baños de la Reina so unique is that it's not just a historical site, but also a beautiful beach and a great place for swimming, snorkeling, fishing, and even kayaking. I love spending time here, exploring the ruins, relaxing on the beach and capturing the beauty of this place with my camera drone. I have been using a Potensic Atom drone and I really like its 4K video quality, despite its small sensor size. I hope that Potensic team will release a new version with a bigger sensor, as that would make my videos better. If you are ever in El Campello, I highly recommend visiting the Baños de la Reina. It's a truly magical place that you won't forget. And after you've explored the ruins and soaked up some sun, be sure to stop by one of the many restaurants and cafes in the area. You won't be disappointed. I can tell you that the food here is amazing. There are so many different restaurants to choose from, so you are sure to find something to suit your taste. Don't forget to smash that like button. Los Baños de la Reina offers endless opportunities for stunning shots. Try capturing the dramatic interplay of light and shadow on the ancient ruins, or framing the blue waters of the Mediterranean Sea with its coastline, islands and sea piers. You can experiment with different perspectives and angles to find the most captivating compositions. You can check my other videos about El Campello.